What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing A Simple Job, and let's get started. Okay, we got some settings. Oh, we can move. Okay. Hope this song isn't copyrighted. Let's go to the. Okay, that's a bit loud. Or are these the? Oh. Let's play. Oh.
Oh no, sorry, Jay. Yeah, sorry about that. Sorry you have to wait. Just to let you know, your job as a janitor just got replaced with this, let's call it the proler job. So, yeah, your job is simple. Do not press the button. I will be back soon.
So
Jimmy,
we don't
you're-
press this.
Jay, wait. I will be there in a few seconds.
We can drink coffee. Yeah. So okay, we just gotta not press this button. It's just a. Gotta keep drinking coffee. We can't fall asleep. Why is this guy so sleepy? Do not press. So we gotta find something to power.
As a lazy gator, I decided to not make this trash work. Sorry.
Okay, never mind. We can. Oh, I don't think I'm supposed to do that. Oh, I am boss. I decide. Did I just spit in the cup? A simple job. Whoa, that's a game name. Oh, is this the... Okay, so we need to find a key, I guess. Okay, it said one of the employees. Oh, oh my... There's a lot of employees. Is that a key? A card. Is that what it is? Oh wait, we have to search every... Can't believe the guy... Is this supposed to happen? Can I log into this? Oh no. Okay, we got the key. We're a boss! Is that a button down there?
Just wait. I don't know what you could do.
Did I just exit the game? Did I just... Huh? I mean... How do I... Did I just finish this? Is this back to the main menu? Oh... I probably shouldn't have done that then. I should probably turn this up though, more. Because I couldn't hear the guy. Okay. Let's try this again. Oh, 1 out of 5. Oh, I didn't know I could do this. Throw away all of it. There's 4. Oh! Oh my god. Is there another... Why is the guy so far away now? I wonder what happens if I press this. Is that a bomb? Okay, let's see. What is this? Why are there so many buttons? Huh? Why are there so many? Why are they multiplying? Do I just keep trying to get the red one? What the? I can't press any of those. Do I have to keep pressing until I find it? Okay, I'm gonna find this one. Can I just hold it down? How many buttons are there? I'm gonna find this one eventually. Is it counting down? 2, 1. Oh, I lost the game again. Okay, let's try not pressing the button this time. Oh, we got all the achievements. I can't. Is that a toilet? In the wall? Oh, I didn't know that was an achievement. I turned on the light too many times. Better not fall asleep. Leave. Oh. But now I know what to do. You know, I avoid all these rooms. I go to this one with the employees. Is it this one? Wow. Top speed run. What is this guy talking about? Wait, can I still... Oh. I was gonna see if I could go back, but I guess I can't. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, we're turning this all the way up. Okay, now I can hear this guy. I keep forgetting about this. You know, gotta keep pressing. Why does this guy always get so quiet? Don't fall asleep. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep. Is the coffee speeding it up? One of 8? Oh, do we have to find the trash everywhere? So, okay. The other pieces of trash. Oh, is that one? Okay, that was not a piece of trash. There's one in here. Can I pick up multiple at a time? Can I pick up multiple? Okay, I can. Okay, we have 4 of them. We need 4 more. Maybe we find them in the other desks? We can. Okay, we got the key. That's 4. We need 2 more. I don't see any... Okay, I guess we're just gonna have to turn this on. Oh. Oh, maybe I was supposed to hold on to them. I'm not hitting this button. Gotta make sure I don't go through there again. You too, you too. Alright, see ya. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Oh, a false alarm. Whew. Lucky that was just a false alarm. Almost pressed the button there. Nah, not yet. Do I have to wait until this guy falls asleep again? Yeah, that's a pretty big missile down there. What if I press it on the screen? Okay, I can't. Is there something in this dark corner? There's always something. Am I supposed to press the button? Nah, no, we gotta... Let's wait another minute, you know? Maybe if I keep opening and closing, it'll eventually show something. Okay, never mind. Never mind. I thought it was gonna show something after a while. Okay, so it's been a minute. I'm gonna press it. Oh. Uh-oh. 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 This is some good music right here. Okay, where did it go? Uh-oh. I don't see the missile. Where did it go? Did I just bomb someplace? Oh. I think I did. Dang, the music is really loud. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, if you guys want me to keep playing games like these, you know, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video.